This is the entire map of Colinas Verdes Residential Estates Country Club in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And this is the very entrada or bungad ng San Jose del Monte, guys. Malapit sa SM San Jose del Monte. Katabi lang din ng STI at ng Walter Mart. May Jollibee at Burger King sa labas ng gate. Di ba ito yung gate ni Colinas? Tapos dito niya, andito yung Jollibee, Burger King, Walter Mart, SM. So just imagine how premium the location is. So itong Quirino Highway na to, guys, dito, kung galing ka ng SM Fairview, ito yan. SM Fairview, yan. Tapos ito yung San Jose del Monte, sa Pampalay, yan, pag ganun. So just imagine, ang lapit mo sa ginagawang MRT 7. So itong Colinas Verdes, guys, this is the biggest development in the whole area of North, because in total this is like about 300 hectares. So this is how we look at the map, okay? Because this is very important. I encourage you to secure your slot within this month of June, because we are gonna go back to the original price. So right now we are on promo until end of June 2025. 23,400 per square meter lang tayo, pero from July 1 back to 26,000 per square meter na tayo. Just imagine your savings, okay? So this is the whole map. This is the entrance gate, and we have like different amenities here. Itong clubhouse na area na to, guys, may mga swimming pools tayo dyan. We have 6 stunning swimming pools, badminton area, tennis area, basketball court. We have all that here, and parks and playground. So just imagine, guys, kapag minimum lot na 150 square meter, 200 something, dito yan sa mga area na yan, guys, na lot only. Ito po, malapit sa clubhouse. Ito, guys, yung pwede mo nang tayuan kapag naka 50% ka na from the total contract price. This side kasi na mas malapit sa entrance, ito after 3 years pa to pwedeng tayuan. Itong color na to. So, yung iba dito na may mga shades ay sold na siya, guys. Okay? So, kapag mamimili tayo dito, guys, may mga 150, may 200, may 175, 180, 400. May mga ganun tayong lot area. 23,400 per square meter, promo only. Promo lang siya. Pero 26, pabalik sa 26. Pag corner, mas mahal lang din ng konti. Tapos dito naman, ito yung tinatawag na La Cresta. Kasi itong section na to, ito yung pinakamataas, highly elevated area ng Colinas na malalaki po yung cut ng lote. So, 1,000 square meter, 2,700 plus. So, pwede yan dito sa La Cresta. Okay, guys? So, yan po yung kabuang mapa ng Colinas Verdes. I love Colinas Verdes. So, ang ating pong developer, guys, ay Santa Lucia. So, dito, guys, sa Colinas Verdes, ito yung clubhouse at isa to sa kanilang mga stunning swimming pools. Marami pang iba. Kasi nga, di ba, gaya ng sabi ko, nasa 6 yung kanilang swimming pools dito. Tapos, complete amenities, guys, ha? Clubhouse, basketball court, tennis court, badminton court, and all that stuff. If you are looking for the perfect time to invest in a high-end residential country club residential estate here in the rising city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, this is the sign. Before end of June 2025, save hundreds of thousands, if not millions, okay? Because our price per square meter for inner unit still at 23,400 for the minimum lot. 15 to 16,000 if you are going for a bigger lots like 700, 1,000 square meter lots, yung ganyan. Guys, look at the stunning and the beautiful and the one and only clubhouse of Colinas Verdes by Santa Lucia Developer here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Nakatabi mo lang yung SM, Savannah Park Hotel Savano, yung Jollibee, yung Burger King, yung Walter Mart, Toyota, and STI, at malapit ka rin sa SM Fairview. This is it. Very close to the future MRT7 as well. Tignan nyo guys, yung ating napaka-classy na architectural design. At meron din tayo dyang bowling area. Gym, sauna. Pwede ka mag-sauna dyan. And billiards hall. Okay? So, yun siya guys. Diba guys, no? Napakaganda po dito sa Colinas Verdes. Kaya kung gusto nyong mag-avail before end of June 2025 for the biggest discount, this is the perfect time. Let me give you sample computation for the minimum lot. There you have it. Ayan siya guys. At magbibigay rin ako ng bigger lots. So, ayan po, pag bigger lots. So, napapansin nyo na pag bigger lots, mas mababa yung price niya per square meter, okay? So, yun po siya guys, pero very affordable pa rin kahit na high-end feels ang community mo sa Colinas Verdes dahil yan lang po yung kanyang total contract price. We don't need Pag-ibig, we don't need bank, we don't need any of that, okay? Direct to developer in-house financing tayo dito guys, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Without further ado, this is Colinas Verdes again. No walk-ins, strictly no walk-ins po sa Colinas Verdes. You have to contact me at least 1 to 2 days before for site tripping. Pwede rin dito ang online reservation. Send ko sa iyo yung mapa at yung kanilang forms. Okay? So, either way, pwede po. So, yun siya guys. Colinas Verdes. 1 to 2 days before, contact me. My name is Nicole. Yan yung aking Viber WhatsApp number. Just mention Colinas Verdes. Yun lang po guys ang sasabihin mo, okay? Para makapag-tripping tayo dito. Very strict ang guard, 24/7 security. Bawal mag-walk-in, hindi ka makapasok sa loob without me. So you have to contact me directly para po makapag-actual site tripping sa Colinas Verdes. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the best and the premium location you can get for a lot only na malapit sa SM San Jose del Monte. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you!